So for this one, this is going to be a two-step inequality. So you want to treat this as if it was just an equal sign. So draw the wall through the inequality. We want letters left, constants or numbers on the right. So this -4 needs to come right. So that would be 9x is greater than 32 plus 4. So then this will become 9x is greater than 36. And from here, you're going to divide both sides by 9. So the 9's cancel, and x is going to be greater than 4. So we do not have to flip the inequality because we divided by a positive 9. So since you divide by a positive number, your inequality sign can remain the same. Now, if we were to graph this on a number line, I'm going to put 4 in the middle, and I'll put a 3 and a 5 bordering it. This would be an open dot because it's not or equal to, and we want numbers that are greater than 4. So that means we will shade to the right. So we want to include numbers like 5, 6, 7, 8, and so forth. Not sure what just happened. We're going to draw a wall through the inequality. Remember, it's letters on the left, numbers on the right. So for this, I want to get this -4x to the left side, and I want to get this constant of a 13 to the right. So I'm going to recopy everything. -5x. When this -4 crosses over, it turns positive. Then we're going to have the 22 minus 13. So again, I'm changing the left sign. This is nothing here, so it's positive, so we turn into a negative. -5 plus 4, that's just -1x. Inequality, 22 minus 13 is 9. Now here's where you got to be careful. Technically, in front of this x is a -1. So we want to divide both sides by a -1. Since we divide by a negative sign, we need to flip the inequality. So anytime you multiply or divide by a negative number, you flip the inequality. Therefore then, if I put this on a number line, -9 in the middle, -10, -8. This would be an open dot. We want to shade to the right. So this method of shading, how I put it on the top of the number line, you could do that as well. So you can do it on the inside of the number. All right, for this last one, this one is a doozy. So we've got a lot of fractions. Did I just call it a doozy? Here's what I recommend doing. There's a lot of different ways to solve this. I think this is the easiest way. I want to look specifically at the denominators. And I want to multiply through by a number to cancel all of those out. So if we have 3, 4, 6, and 8, I want to start writing multiples or factors of those numbers. The one that shows up in all 4 of them, we're going to multiply everything by to get rid of the fractions. So we're going to do this 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, 3 times 5, 3 times 6, 3 times 7, 3 times 8. So I'm just going to draw those. Let's do 4s. 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6. Then we'll do 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4. Ooh, it's looking like we're getting a repeating number in all of them. Let's see if it works for the 8s. 8 times 1, 8 times 2, 8 times 3. So 24 shows up in all 4 numbers. This is going to be the magic number we want to multiply everything through by. So let me go ahead and erase all of this. So here, that's what we're going to do. We're going to multiply everything by 24. And technically, you could even say it's 24 over 1. So 24 times 5 over 1 divided by 4. Here's another way to do this. If we said 24 divided by 4 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, and it would be negative 6. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8x, and we're going to put a negative sign. Now in red, this is the same thing as this. They're in proportion to one another. The only difference is this one does not have fractions. So with this, we're going to go letters left, numbers right. Go there, we'll go here. So this would become negative 4x plus 8x, inequality, negative 6 minus 30. So this becomes now negative 4 plus 8 is 4x, inequality, negative 6 plus negative 30 is negative 36. Divide both by 4. X is greater than negative 9. So, by using this tool up top and finding that factor and multiplying through, we're able to eliminate all the fractions, turn it into this in red, and then this is a basic letters left, numbers right problem with switching the left sign when they cross over the inequality symbol. Remember, inequalities are just like equations, except it's just a different symbol. Now, to graph it on a number line, if I have the number line here, we'll go negative 9, negative 8, and negative 10. We're going to go open dot. We want numbers that are bigger than negative 9, so we'll shade to the right. So, that's how you do those. If you got questions, let me know. Well, see you later. Bye.